makes me think of this. Hilo, such a rainy old town. I listen to the rain coming down. Don't it fall so free? Take a walk in the rain and let that rain wash away your pain. You can stop all over with me.
The hills of
Simon and Maurice. I love you, Hilo, and in my heart you'll always be. Now and through eternity. I love you, Hilo. Wouldn't it be something we raining and they not?
Yeah, that'd be